What's up guys, welcome to a JavaScript series brought to you by Code to Create CTC. In case you just skipped the first episode and bumped into this one, I still remain Tony Cletus, your instructor. Alright, so in this episode, I promised we're going to be treating variables and mass operators, but we cannot treat all of them here in one video. I don't want this video to be lengthy. But before we go into that, there are two things I want to give more details about, and that is comments and statements. So as a professional programmer, you need to understand how to use comments and statements. You need to use comments in your code. And what are these comments? Comments are lines of code or instructions or directives that will definitely be ignored by JavaScript. That is, they won't be executed, but they will be written inside JavaScript, but they won't be executed. And why? Why do you need to write comments if they are not going to be executed? Okay, the thing is this. If you're writing some block of codes in JavaScript and they are very lengthy, for readability's sake, you need to write comments so that you can know the steps you've taken so far, so that in the next 5 to 10 years when you come back to your codes, you can be able to understand them because of the comments you've written. You commented on those codes, like you explained what you did when you were making those codes, you understand? So let me quickly show you so you understand. We have two types of comments. We have the single line comment and the multi-line comment. Single line comment is for when you are writing one line of comment, and multi-line comment is when you are writing like 3, 5, 7 lines of comments. Like if it's going to take 5 lines, it's a multi-line comment. So for a single line comment, what you need to do is // something like it, and you can just write, okay, this is a comment. You see, when I save this now and I open my browser and refresh, if I refresh, you see it's just empty. JavaScript just ignored it. It didn't execute it. So I can come here and say, let me make it useful. I'll put something on the web browser. I'll put something on the web browser, and I can come and say document.write. This is me. Okay, document.write, and this is me, and come here and refresh. You see, this is me. Okay, you see, our JavaScript interpreter completely ignored this comment here, but it read this. So this is to say that, okay, this is now a comment, but we just wrote it to understand what you have written. You don't really need that much, but when you're writing a bunch of codes, it's very important to write them for readability sake. And if you participate in open source like GitHub, you need them so that other people can be able to read your code and understand what you're actually doing. You understand? For a multi-line comment, what you need to do is if /, and you can come here and type star by clicking on Shift-8, then you come down again, and another */ is inside the 2/ and star that you can write your multi-line comment. So go left, turn right, kill the box. Go left, turn right, kill the box. So if I refresh this, you see that it wasn't executed or displayed on the screen. So this is how to write comments. We have multi-line comment and we have single line comments. Any one you prefer, you can use. Okay. So the next thing is statements. Now, what are statements? Actually, let me quickly make use of this example. This is a statement, you understand? You see, a computer program is a list of instructions to be executed by the computer, you understand? In the programming language, this program or instructions are called statements. So a statement is like a step-by-step instruction given to a computer to perform a specific task. And JavaScript statements are separated by columns. This is just one statement, and this is the column to say that, okay, this is a statement and the statement ends here. We can come down here and type another statement dot write. Okay, let me just do simple addition and close the statement and refresh, and it is being executed step by step, one by one. So for example, you see it has to execute this first. This is me, and then said, okay, document.write 100. I was explaining something in the last tutorial that this is how to write numbers. You don't need to put quotation marks to denote a number. So this is how to write numbers. If I decide to put quotation marks here now and I refresh, guess what happens? It will recognize it as a string, as words, not numbers this time around. So for you to tell JavaScript that these are numbers and you should treat them like numbers, you have to remove them from quotation mark. They don't have to be in quotation mark. This is how to write statements and comments. So I think we have covered much here, and in the next tutorial we are going to be treating the most important thing in the world of programming, and that's called variables. So I'll catch you up in the next tutorial. I don't want to make this tutorial bulky. Please, if you have really learned something from this video, please click on that like button below, and please subscribe to this channel. I love you. Thank you. See you in the next episode.